I got this vacuum off of Vine. It's a pool vacuum. And I wanted something that isn't too big because I have a very small pool I'm putting up. And I wanted something I could literally get in the pool and vacuum. And look at this. With the pop-out button so that you can interchange handles. They've got this nice, light, ergonomic handle I can actually get in and vacuum my pool with. And they also have this nice, long, telescopic pole also you can use. On the end of it, there's an extension that you can pop button and remove for a shorter pole. Also, it adjusts as you might think. You unscrew these a little bit, and then you can push it all together so it stores nice and small. Good handle. What I really like is that it came with 4 of these filters. One's already installed. Actually, I think they have the other 500 installed. But it comes with a 300 and a 500 filter. And I like that they also mark which filter is which so you can identify them. The 300 filter is going to be for your leaves and larger debris. The 500 is more for sludge and particles in the water. It's a good way to just filter the water through that, which is what I'm going to do with it mostly in my very small above ground pool. I do think this is a great hand tool to use for detail work if you want in your larger pool for sure. Let's go ahead and flip it on. I charged it. Let me push that button. Ooh, I don't want to burn out the motor. But yeah, it was already pre-charged. Came with a nice long cord to charge it with. And I charged it a little bit more. And it sounds like it's got a good, powerful motor, but don't ever do that. Please make sure you submerge it in water before you turn it on. But yeah, it's a great complete set. The instructions were easy. I popped this together in 2 minutes. Like I said, good, nice, sturdy, strong pole. I mean, really strong pole. I definitely recommend it, especially at the great price it came at.
As you can see, I use the Eifer brand, 2 of them, vacuums for my pool over here, which is a 10,000 gallon pool. But this is a really nice option for my steps, I've found. I've only charged this thing 1 time since I've gotten it, and I've had it for probably 2 months, and it's maintained its charge. And I only use it to clean the steps. And full disclosure, you can hook up a pole to this, and I've done that sometimes to clean stuff off the bottom of my pool. But just for my steps, because I can reach them, I just hold this sucker by hand. The water comes in and out of here, so you want to make sure that you have it submerged enough to be able to get the water in and out. But the bags are a nice mesh. There's a couple of different bags that you use. It fills up with water. You capture everything here in the mesh bag, and you pull down on that blue lever to open it and close it. It does have on the bottom side some rollers to help it roll, and it's got these little scrub brushes here that help kind of scrub the pool along. And this is where the uptake is right here. So it's been a great addition to my pool. I wish I would have gotten it a really long time ago. And yeah, it can't be your everyday vacuum, but it's definitely great for touch-ups, as others have mentioned. And I just love this thing.